Well, first we are going to light it. We're going to get gas in there. Alright, let's see.
Where should I put this?
You don't actually put that right here for now. And you open the gas, put that in there. Now let's turn this on. See if we can get more paper in there. We need to make a layer of carbon to prevent urn from sticking to the thing.
It smells too. It smells nice.
That's the smell of paper burning. We need carbon to make sure this do not stick to this. We're going to heat that up, and then we're going to drop in some copper from copper pin over there. It's going to be that, but we're going to try. We don't have.
Shit.
I don't know if we have. If we use salt, we'll get salt.
Okay.
We need. You don't get too bad poisoning from this. By the way, salt not good plugs for what I'm doing. I just don't have anything better on hand right now. My father is going to yell at me when he comes home because I used it without him. But you know, you only live once, so fuck it. Let's finish this. See that green? That green from copper. Actually, I don't know what that green comes from. We might get poisoned from that, but there's only one way to find out, so let's keep going.
Can you say the thing about your dad again? Because I was crunching very loudly.
My dad is going to kill me when he gets home because I did not consult him about this, but maybe he'll get home and we'll be done, hopefully. Now, by the way, we are not going to be using this again. We are going to have to heat it up before we put the metal in because it's going to steam a lot. Steam not good because it can actually cause third-degree burns to our skin, and then you have to go to hospital. And you know how hospital in America not good, very, very expensive. We don't have a lot of money. Anyways, look at metal. Look at how it's getting bright. That mean it's hot. That's how it looks. Very hot.
Yeah.
All right, so very hot right now. We're going to take a top. Putin. I love him. We're going to put in salt. I don't know how much. I'm just gonna put a little and see how it goes. You only live once, so let's put a little more in. All right, that should be good.
You can smell it too.
I can smell.
Oh no, now I'm gonna die of
Drink
carbon
too much.
monoxide poisoning.
Drink too much vodka, come here. All right, nice thing about when too hot, you can literally just light it on fire by turning it back on. And then yeah, see that? Very great, very good. And mix. Now it should be really soft. It's not soft way. Not hot enough yet. But not suka. Comrades, we're going to make see if it's good. We probably won't put this in video, but shit. Yeah, I'm a lucky man that didn't catch on fire.
Whoa.
Alright, it should be melted. Oh, there it goes. Some of it is melted. Alright, don't breathe any of that in. Hold your breath. That's not good to breathe. Probably should have put the respirator on, but this is, I guess it's good. That's some liquid now. You can see it get on You can see it, some of it is on there. Alright, let's turn power back on. That's not good to breathe. Right? Oh shit. That's not good. That's good. That's better. So you see some metal. Come closer. You see metal right there on that. I probably shouldn't hold that too much. You see metal right there. That means it's melting. Now a lot of you are probably saying no shit. That would be understandable. But that's good thing to know. Because you can't really tell from the street down.
You can see that really well.
I don't know if this is if this is slag or what?
What, did your glove catch on fire?
Yeah. They're supposed to be made like that so that if they catch on fire, you just throw them right off. I don't know that's slag. Let's just add some more. And see how much we can make.
Okay.
That was a very dumb idea. I don't know what I did. Sticking or is it just heavy? If it's sticking, that's bad.
Oh. To the wall? No, it's not sticking. It's not sticking here. It's just heavy and you're an idiot.
Well, it can actually stick to the fire stone.
I know.
So.
Bro, that looks so cool.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, did you see that slag come out of that?
Yeah.
That was nice. Oh, I can see it on the thing.
That's a good shit. Good shit, man.
There we go.
Shit. I don't want to breathe that in.
Look at that. So, what you gonna do now?
I don't want to breathe that in. Alright, next. Alright, comrade, next. We warm up let's heat it up for a bit more slag removal. Then let's make sure it doesn't stick. Heat up our molds. This up so I don't get steam coming at me and giving me burns. Trust me, it don't feel good.
A lot of times this slag is really pretty. Not so much this time, but kind of interesting to look at. It's a little purple. Oh yeah, I see it.
Let's hope that is good. This looks good. This is not good. Alright. Then Alright. Take the top off. this. Comrade, can you remove slag from this or no?
No.
Okay. Can you get me at least get me the spoon? Oh, there it is. Never mind. Well, that was not good, but not the worst that could happen. So I would call that non-failure. Let's go let everything go down after I get rid of that last bit of crap. Well, definitely not a failure. Look better when it cools.
Okay, so it's morning time. We've let it cool down, and this is the result. It's not great, but you can see the outline of it. So we're gonna hopefully get a better result next time.